Hello, my name's Andrew from i4 Automation. We've been running a special offer on the Unistream Starter Kit where you get the PLC, the power supply and the cables, you get the training and you get the software. All you need to get yourself started if you want to start programming PLCs and HMIs. Now this PLC has a virtual HMI. Now a virtual HMI is kind of strange to get your head around, but you can VNC into it, so you need a bit of software with a bit of VNC code and an IP address and you can connect to it. The alternative is you can use one of our light panels. Now the light panel is a bit like a HMI, but it connects via VNC, but it's all built in. So providing the IP addresses are compatible, the two will work together. Now there's 5 in the Unitronics range. There's a 5-inch, a 7-inch, 10.1-inch, a 15.6 and a 21.5-inch. Yes, a 21.5-inch. So that's a pretty big screen. Now I've only got 3 to show you because we've sold out of the 15.6s and the 21 inches. So I haven't got any to show you, so I've got 3 here. So we'll start off with the 5-inch. So it's a USL 05B05, that's the part number. So you open it up, first thing you get in there is a gasket. Now the gasket gives you an IP65 sealing. And then we've got the connectors and the screen. So we've got logo on the bottom. We can get them unbranded. They can be mounted portrait or landscape, so you can mount it in different ways. You've got the Ethernet connection there and the USB memory stick slot. You've got the power supply on this side, and on the back there's not an awful lot. Just going around, just checking. Nope, there isn't any other connections on this. There's no memory or anything. It's just a standard Ethernet connection, so you can just plug that in. It connects. So that's one option. It comes with the mounting brackets and the power supply cables. That's all you need on there. So that's the 5.6-inch version. A bit of a tidy up, otherwise I won't know where I am with things. Let's have a look at the 7-inch. Because when you get these all together, it does help you sort of compare the size. So again, what we've got in here, we've got the mounting gasket. We've got a couple of feet there for standing it up. And the mounting brackets. So that allows you those mounting feet to allow you to sit this up and make it a bit more steady when it's on the desk. So again, let's have a look at what's on here. We've got the power connection on that side. On this side we've got the Ethernet connection and we've got the USB memory stick. Got the logo on the bottom, portrait, landscape, so you've got the options there. And that gives us the 5-inch option. Now, let's get out the big boy. That's not really the big boy, it's the elder brother. Because we have got up 15.6 and a 21-inch screen, which we haven't got to show you today. Because we're sold out, which is always nice. Right, so this is the 10-inch. It's what we call a widescreen model because of the ratio between the height and the length. And again, on here we've got the connections. We've got the Ethernet and the USB, and on this side we've got the power side, portrait, landscape. So obviously you want the non-branded one if you're going to mount it in portrait view. So that's the one. And then we've got the mounting gasket, gives you the IP65, more mounting brackets so you get nice even pressure all the way around, and a set of mounting feet on here as well. So you've got the 5-inch, 7-inch, 10.1, 15.6 and a 21, a whopping 21-inch, which we haven't got in stock. Now we can give you a special price on these as part of the special offer on the starter kit with your PLC, your training from i4 Automation and the software which you can download and have a play with and see if it does what you want. We offer you a power supply and of course the cables you need, industrial cables, not standard cable. If there's anything you need, please feel free, get in touch with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's just 3 of the light panels out of the range of 5 that we've currently got from Unitronics. That's all from me for now. That's Andrew. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All your automation needs.